Tubas, old Berg here on a hot Sunday evening. Getting ready to go to the workhouse, but first I want to do a little cast iron cooking. I'm gonna pause it right here and show you what I got going on. Alrighty. First I want to show you, I got me some good old charcoals, some of them good old Kingsford. Some of those Kingsford lights, instantly match lights. Oh my, they're so good. Got a little wood there too, but I ain't gonna use it. We got the little old fire pit here going. Out here on the back 40 of the Berg estate here in Adams, Tennessee. And here you can see I got my ingredients. I got me a little Coca-Cola. Got me some cherry pie filling. I got me some of that real sweet cream, great value butter, and that's the real butter. We got a Betty Crocker, super moist yellow cake mix. A yellow cake mix. We got a few flies flying around here. This is my Dutch oven, my 5-quart cast iron Dutch oven that I got. And this is it right here. This is my little 5-quart Giro. Look on to it. Just look on to it. And I'm about ready to go here in just a minute, as soon as we can get all that going there. But any words, I've been staying under that air conditioner. That's probably where I'll go while this thing's cooking. That's where I've been while the charcoals has been getting ready, because mighty humid out here in Adams, Tennessee. While I'm waiting on my cake to get done, I'm gonna be chooching me a cherry woodrow, OMS cherry woodrow. And in it, I'm gonna chooch me a nice flake of that Wessex, because I love it so. But any words, that's everything I should need. A cake mix, a Dutch oven, pie filling, a little Coca-Cola, and a stick of butter. I don't know if I put the whole stick in there. I like butter, so I'll probably maybe stick the whole stick in there. But any words, I'm gonna give her a few minutes and then we're gonna get on it. But right now I'm gonna pause it. Alrighty, tubas, old Berg here. First, what I'm gonna do is line my Dutch oven with some aluminum foil, and that's going to keep the cleanup at a minimum. It's probably still going to get down in there a little bit, but it should make it a lot more better for old Bergy Berg in the end. So we got some great value. We believe in Walmarts. We really do around here. We love the Walmarts and the Great Value brand. And let me tell you, if it don't say made in America on it, we don't mess with it in Walmart. And we got the Ozark Trail. I didn't look to see if it was made in America, but it was $20. And shoot, I went ahead and jumped onto it. But any word, I'll do this for the easy thing up. I'm not gonna do that. There we go. Now we're cooking with grease. It's gonna go back. Oh. I got this bad boy lined up with some aluminum foil. Now what you do is you take your super moist cake mix by Betty. You can get any kind, but I got the Betty Crocker because old Betty's been good to us around here. We love her. We love old Betty Crocker. For her cakes and muffins and brownies are mighty good. Oh, yes they are. I can't get it to open up. I'm gonna tell you, when it comes to cooking, 99.9% of the time, Miss Rhonda does the cooking. She's gonna let me do this one. She's gonna let old Bird do this one. Now then, we'll take this knife and we'll kind of scoot her around in there a little bit. See what happens. See what happens. See what happens. And I think all I got to do is, I watched a video, but I remember parts of it and parts of it I don't, but I don't see how you mess up. I don't know if I'm supposed to put my cherries in first or my cherries in last, but I got the cherry pie filling. I don't know if other people were getting straight up just cherries and blackberries and whatnot, but I got the cherry pie filling. Sometimes old Bird, I like to hold my own breath. I'll kind of scoop that down in there a little bit. See what happens. We'll see what happens. Oh, look on to the beautiness of it all. Oh, look on to the beautiness of it all. It's going to be so lovely. And then again, it may turn out to be a total wreck, but any words? I asked Miss Rhonda, I said, do you think you ought to come out here and help me with it? And she said, Berg, I don't think you can mess that up. You just dumped it all in there any kind of way. It probably worked. Now you got your real butter. You ain't shaking, or you? I got my son holding the camera, Troy boy. Oh, Roy. I call him T-Roy. He's out here helping the old man. Anyway, we're gonna put some big old lumps of butter. Look on, oh, look under that butter. Look at the loveliness. That's real butter from an old cow. None of that goat milk around here. We get that pure butter. And I don't know if I was supposed to put a whole stick in here or not, but guess what? How can you go wrong if you got too much butter in there? That's like too much butter, there's no such thing. It's like too much money. Too much butter, too much. Now we're gonna keep all our trash up because Miss Rhonda come out here and raise $400 worth of hell if I make a big mess out here in the yard. But any words, that's what she's gonna look like. Look what a mess. Oh, look on there, folks. I'm gonna put this lid on there where the flies won't be getting in there and taking a big crap on it or licking around or something. Now, back up just a little bit here, Roy. Keep it, turn around here. You got it? I got it right here. What I'm gonna do is pour a few of these coals out where the big rascal's gonna be sitting. It's not like that, I guess. I'm gonna save that many for the top. We'll set them right there. Let me get my thing here. We're gonna set her down on there like so. Like so. I'm gonna put a few coals on top. Knowing me, I'll put too many. But again, I may not put enough. But any words? That's the way we're gonna we'll do it. Now all we got to do is go inside and let this bad boy cook. I'm gonna teach me this bowl of Awesome. Awesome. Wessex. Burley slices. We'll be back. Ladies and gentlemen, old Berg's back. I am back. I forgot to put in my Coca-Cola. And we didn't buy a top. Use both hands, son. And we're going to pour a little Coca-Cola in there. Supposed to be a whole cup. Whole 12 ounces. We're going to put a little in there. Close her back up, son. We didn't buy the tool to open and close this. We that's close. That's good. We seen where somebody used one of these tiring tools, not tiring tool, but a wrecking bar, and it works mighty good. And I got 3 or 4 of them around here, and when I go camping, why not have one in the camper, you know? And I always bring this little fire pit. It's got a cover on it, and always bring me a little wood and charcoal, and yeah, so why not? But anyway, you could see it was mounting and doing around, and I got me a few more little coals ready over here, just in case I needed them. I don't know that I need them, but I wanted to make sure. But any words. We'll be back when it's done, folks. I'm burning them. I'm out. Alrighty. We're going to dip onto it and see what she done. I got to watching some videos in there of how it's supposed to be done. And I was supposed to put my stuff in first, but you can see it really don't matter. It all cooked up, and I'm gonna let my son Roy have a seat there, Roy. Let's test drive it. See what you think there, old big one. Look on to my big boy. That's my baby boy Troy right there. What do you think?
It's got a lot of good flavor in it.
Does
Damn
it?
good.
Is it? Is it got enough butter?
Oh yeah.
Let me try onto it. Let me have a bite. Let old Berg get a bite. Let me see here. It's hot. It's hot or not? Whoa! Hot. That's mighty fine. Mighty fine. Miss Rhonda just brought me out. Thank you, Miss Rhonda. Sweet iced tea. Look onto it. Oh, oh my, oh my, oh my. Miss Rhonda sweet iced tea. Mighty good. Any words? That's what she looks like, folks. Finished product. I'm Berg. And we're out. Oh, we're out. We're out.